a leak sprung in the toilet here, so we're going to have to find and fix that. I can't quite see where it is, but I'll use my phone here like a periscope. And so I think that's it there. Now the phone's getting wet, but I can now take a look at the phone and see what is leaking and shut the water back off up here. There. All right. All right, let me review the phone. All right, here we go. We have got a broken bolt or a broken hose on the toilet. So we need to remove the toilet. And it works pretty much just like a residential toilet. There's two bolts that hold it down, one on each side, and then it'll have a wax ring inside. However, my wrenches might be too darn big to get in there. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, I can get this side, but the other side might be kind of a bugger. So I just undo the bolt here, see if it's loose enough to do by hand. Okay, I'll just put that bolt there, and then let's sneak on over to the other side. And of course, it's kind of not possible to see what's going on over here, and also the wrench is too big. I might be able to get it on the nut this way. Yeah, I can do that. Just put in the straight hinge of the wrench on the nut. Now, that nut was not installed very strongly, very tightly. Hard to reach, that's why. Probably have to cut that wrench in half to be able to use it, which is no big deal. I've done that many times. All right, now we need to lift out the toilet and see what is going on with the backside. Problem is, I think I'm going to have to undo the hose inside of the compartment here to be able to pull it through so I can tip the toilet to see what's going on with it. Okay. Now I can pull it through on the other side and see what's going on. All right, let's see what we got here now. All right, come on, there you go. All right, let me pull off the hose here then. Piece of shit. Hose out. you. All right. Okay, let me grab my screwdriver and see what we got. Okay. Alright, put the screw in the screen mesh there. Keep it from going anywhere. Yank out this one. Put that screw there. There. Okay, I will pull this off. Okay. Yeah, there it is. If you look real close, you can see that part go in. So you can see the crack there. Okay, well, that's always one of my favorite things in the world. So I finally found an acceptable replacement for the toilet here. It's a little bit bigger, but it will fit. This one here is still kind of tight, but so I bolted this back down, cleaned it up, bolted it back down. The water's not connected to it, but I can use the shower hose to flush, or I can just grab a pot of water and flush with that. And so I'll need to do that until Monday, and then I will put in the new toilet and life will be back to normal. So yeah, it just never seems to be running out of excitement here. Never a dull moment. Okay, one thing I did do to drown my sorrows is I bought a strawberry rhubarb pie and some Tillamook French vanilla ice cream. And so Paul, Lori, and I are going to have that later on for dessert. And that should make me feel much better after a grueling day of Fix-It. So you see here, this is my insulation piece for the water compartment, and here's the water heater. So this here is my quick fix for the line to the toilet. I just have this end cap here, and that goes right over the fitting, the barb fitting on that T, and then I will just slip the pipe for it. The PEX tube is still in there, so I will just slip that back over it. The nut is already on the PEX, and when I get the new toilet, then I will put that back together. So until then, that'll be on Monday. This is Friday. Okay, so let me put the cabinet door shut again, and then this is my battery box, and I just made a 1-inch styrofoam insulation barrier to keep those batteries a little warmer from the outside. And you see I have a 2x2 notched down there for the latch to clear. So we just put our key in, latch it, and there you go. She's all set. Okay, then I've still got some styrofoam here, and I'm going to use that to make some insulated panels on my side compartment doors that let me reach from inside the truck camper down into the truck bed, and they let a lot of air in right now, so I need to put some foam tape on that and make those more airtight, because the cab floor gets very cold and any bit will help. All right,